Get ready to ignite the job site with the next generation of Demo Demon framing and demolition saw blades from Diablo. The blade's Nano Grind Technology features optimized Dura-Blend carbide, which is specially formulated for extreme durability and up to 15 times the cutting life of standard carbide blades. Tackle nail-embedded wood, shingles, laminated lumber, concrete forming, and more. Say goodbye to frequent blade changes and hello to unstoppable corded and cordless cutting power through even the toughest of materials. With chamfer alternate top bevel tooth geometry for ultimate tracking control and the longest cutting life you've ever experienced. The Demo Demon's lock tooth technology features a tri-metal brazing that ensures the strongest tip-to-blade connection and unparalleled impact resistance for uncompromising performance on every job. The optimized thin kerf design offers unmatched ease of feed, with lower friction and vibration, resulting in more cuts per charge to maximize your productivity without sacrificing precision. Upgrade to the next generation Demo Demon framing demolition saw blade and ignite the job site.